In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coupon in WordPress and display it effectively on your product page using WooCommerce. Let's dive right in and make the process straightforward and efficient for you. First, head over to your WordPress account and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the WooCommerce section. In your WordPress dashboard, look for the options along the side and find WooCommerce. Hover over it and you'll see several options pop up. Select Marketing, then click on Coupons. This will take you to the area where you can manage and create your coupons. Now that you're in the coupon section, it's time to add a new coupon. Find the Add Coupon button and give it a click. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your coupon code, a unique code that your customers will use at checkout to receive a discount. Think of something catchy yet simple for your customers to remember. Once you've entered your chosen code, proceed to set the discount type. You can choose between a fixed cart discount, a percentage discount, or a fixed product discount, depending on what suits your promotional strategy best. Afterward, specify the discount amount you wish to offer with this coupon. Once you're satisfied with your coupon settings, click Publish to make it live. And there you have it. The coupon is now officially created and ready to be used by your customers. Next, let's focus on displaying your newly created coupon on your product pages. You can easily do this by using a short code in the product description. Locate the product you want to edit and click on it to open the product editor. In the product description section, you'll want to add a small text or promotional message to inform your customers about the discount. For instance, you could write something like, use code MyCoupon at checkout for 10% off. Be sure to replace MyCoupon with the actual code you've just created. After you've included this text, which acts as a friendly reminder for your customers to take advantage of your deals, update your product by clicking the Update button. This will ensure that the new description goes live on your site. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a coupon in WooCommerce and displayed it on your product page with minimal effort. This method is not only quick, but also efficient because it doesn't require any additional plugins or coding. It's a great way to enhance your promotional efforts and drive more sales. Happy selling, and may your promotions be fruitful.